What's up, dear viewers? It's Anna from the For Real channel. Ever accidentally dropped your iPhone in the water? Don't stress, we've all been there. Today we're going to dive into the steps to take if your iPhone takes an unwanted swim. The moment your iPhone hits the water, the clock starts ticking. Scoop it up and switch it off instantly. Press and hold the side button with the volume up button, then slide to power off. This step is super vital. Why? Turning on a wet iPhone can cause more damage, so show some love and let it rest. Next, strip your iPhone of its case, screen protector, and any other accessories. Water tends to sneak around, so this is your best chance at getting every drop out. After undressing your device, give it a gentle wipe. Use a lint-free cloth to absorb the liquid without leaving any fibrous residue. If you can't find one, an old t-shirt will do just fine. To get the hidden drops out, tilt your iPhone so that the ports face down and gently tap it. Do the same for the speakers, and if you've got a headphone jack, follow the same steps. Now, let's get to the SIM card. It's like a secret passageway for water. Using a SIM tool or straightened paper clip, pop the tray out and let your iPhone breathe. Make sure to keep your SIM card dry and safe though. Hey folks, if you're finding this helpful, don't forget to smash that like button. And if you haven't already, hit subscribe and tap the bell icon for more awesome content from us here at For Real. Let's continue, shall we? Now comes the hard part, waiting. I know you've heard of the rice method, but trust me, it's a myth. Rather than fixing the problem you're currently facing, you can actually cause more damage, as we'll discuss later. Instead, place your iPhone in a dry, open space out of direct sunlight. Give it a day or two to sort itself out. To speed things up, you may surround your iPhone with silica gel packs or under a cool fan. But please, no hair dryers or radiators. Heat and iPhones really don't mix. Okay, so you've waited and now your iPhone is finally dry. But how can you be sure? It's really hard to tell if the liquid inside has dried up without opening your device, which could probably void your warranty if it hasn't already. The best you can do is wait as long as you can, and then just go for it and start using it again. It's your call, but just keep in mind that no matter what, you're still taking a chance. If it turns on, make a backup as soon as possible. Water can be sneaky, and you don't want to lose your precious memories. So let's talk about the infamous rice treatment. You guys, rice and iPhones aren't a great combo. Sure, rice absorbs water, but it's less reliable than good old air drying. Plus, rice grains can get stuck in your phone's ports. So skip the rice and stick with patience. Wondering if your iPhone is waterproof? Well, it's not, but it is water resistant. This means it can survive accidental splashes, but it's not prepared to go diving with you. Remember, there's a difference between waterproof and water resistant. If your iPhone gets wet, watch out for 3 things. First, the battery might short circuit, becoming dangerous and losing life. The second thing to worry about in a wet iPhone is corrosion on your internal components, damaging the electronics over time. And finally, salt residue from evaporated water, especially from salt water, can cause short circuits. So if it falls into salt water, act quickly. How can you tell if your iPhone is water damaged? Well, it might act up in odd ways. Maybe a foggy camera, an unresponsive screen, or a battery that drains too quickly. These signs might take weeks or even months to show up, so stay vigilant. If things go south, don't be shy to bring your iPhone to an Apple store. They've got ways to tell if your iPhone has taken a bath. Finally, you may want to consider getting a repair, or in most cases, a replacement. Yes, it might hurt your wallet a bit, but hey, it's better than risking your device. And that's it. Hopefully you'll never need this guide, but if you do, remember to act swiftly. Don't panic and let your iPhone take its time to recover. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep your devices high and dry. It's been Anna from For Real, signing off. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.